In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the Google Calendar font bigger in 2025. If you've ever found yourself squinting at the tiny text in your calendar, you're not alone. Many of us rely on Google Calendar to manage our day-to-day schedules, but the default font size can sometimes be too small to comfortably read, especially if you're using a larger screen or simply prefer bigger text for easier visibility. Luckily, adjusting the font size is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to your calendar interface where you can view your upcoming events and tasks. Now, to make those fonts bigger, there's a neat keyboard shortcut you can use. This little trick doesn't just apply to Google Calendar. It works across many web applications. What you'll need to do is press Ctrl and the plus sign plus at the same time if you're on a Windows computer. For Mac users, the combination will be Command and plus. By doing this, you'll zoom into the web page, effectively increasing the size of everything you're seeing, including the font size. It's a quick and efficient way to make all of the text and content more legible. If after doing this, the text on the screen appears to be too large or you'd like to adjust it further, you can fine-tune the zoom level. Simply repeat the process of pressing Ctrl or Command with either the plus or minus key until you find a size that is just right for you. This will help ensure you have the best view possible, whether you're planning your day or scheduling an important meeting. Remember, this method temporarily changes the text size only as long as you're in the browser and viewing the web page. Once you close the browser or refresh the page, the text size may return to its default setting, so keep the shortcut handy whenever you're accessing your calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Google Calendar's font larger with just a few simple keystrokes. It's a handy tip that can greatly enhance your viewing experience. I hope this guide was helpful and you can now enjoy a more comfortable view of your schedule. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips like this one. Thank you for watching and happy calendaring.